Aloha everyone, my name is Catherine Tiberia, your Miss Hawaii Team USA 2012. Today we're at the Women's Expo in front of the Oahu SPCA booth. You can reach them at www.hawaiispca.org. Aloha!
And the twist is that the celebrities are not wearing the designer fashion. The pins are!
I felt so hard, but you make me feel so good. You're smiling at me, makes me weak in the knees. Feeling inside, sparks start to fly, and you're freaking wonderful. Is it my karma? Maybe it's destiny or fortune smiling on me, yeah. I wasn't planning for magic to happen. It was something I couldn't believe, yeah. You're freaking wonderful. An early dinner, a late night movie, thoughts on the run. My heart is pounding, and I think you're the one. I love the way you hold my hand, walking in the sand. I love the way you hold me tight in the morning light. I was alone, that was a plan, but you came along. I don't understand, and you make me feel so good. I was afraid of falling in love, I was hurt before. I felt so hard, and you're freaking wonderful. Is it my karma? Maybe it's destiny or fortune smiling on me, yeah. I wasn't planning for magic to happen. It was something I couldn't believe, yeah. Freaking wonderful. Is it my karma? Maybe it's destiny or fortune.
Who are interested in adopting or fostering, please see Stephanie or Abby after the show. We thank Stephanie and the Oahu SPCA and for all we do for the dogs and cats in Hawaii. Big hand for Stephanie Ryan. She is the owner of Kokojora and the designer of the fabulous clothing our runway pets are wearing today. She began Kokojora December 2002 in Osaka, Japan at the Japan Kennel Club Dog Show.